Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb on your Infiniti QX60. Before we begin, it's crucial to gather a few essential items. You'll need your replacement headlight bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of clean work gloves. Remember to always check your owner's manual to confirm the exact bulb type for your specific model. Safety first, so make sure your vehicle is completely off and cool to the touch. Now, let's gain access to the headlight bulb. Start by turning your front wheels inward. This gives you more room to work. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry out the plastic clips holding the inner fender liner in place. Once the clips are removed, gently pull back the fender liner to reveal the headlight assembly. If you're working on the passenger side, you might need to temporarily move the washer fluid reservoir for better access. With the assembly exposed, it's time to swap the bulb. First, find the round dust cap on the back of the headlight and twist it counterclockwise to remove it. Next, disconnect the electrical wiring harness from the old bulb. You'll then see two metal clips. Squeeze them together and carefully pull out the old bulb. When inserting the new bulb, wear your gloves and avoid touching the glass, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Finally, reconnect the electrical harness. You're almost done. Now, replace the dust cap, twisting it clockwise until it's firmly seated. Carefully reposition the inner fender liner and reattach all the plastic clips you removed earlier, ensuring everything is secure. Before closing up completely, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. It's also a good idea to check that both headlights match in brightness and color for optimal road visibility.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.